Hello again, Dr. V here, and this is episode 41 of the Ask the Doc Life Lessons podcast. Hi, gang. Today we're diving into an exciting and transformative topic called 20 Steps to Becoming Wealthy. Wealth is something many aspire to, but do we really understand what it means and how to achieve it? In this episode, I'm going to share 20 actionable steps to build wealth, resources you can use, and even tell you about a secret episode where we'll discuss what it's truly like to be rich. Let's get started. So what does it mean to be wealthy? Wealth isn't just about money. To me, being wealthy means having the financial freedom to live the life you've chosen to live, to pursue your passions, and to create opportunities for others. Wealth also includes emotional, mental, and social well-being. True wealth is a combination of abundance, freedom, and even impact. So why is building wealth so important? That's pretty easy. First, it allows you to escape from the paycheck to paycheck nonsense where you live week to week. 2, it provides security for yourself and your family. 3, it allows you to pursue your dreams without financial constraints. And 4, it makes a difference in the world by giving back. If you've ever felt like wealth is out of your reach, this episode will show you how to change that. Before we jump into the steps, I want to mention that I've created a special secret episode that delves into the whole idea of what it's actually like to be rich. It's found on YouTube and Patreon, so check it out when you get a chance if you're curious about the reality of wealth. Okay, so here goes. Here are those 20 steps. All right, number 1. Define your why. Know why wealth matters to you. What makes it important? Why do you care? Number 2, create specific financial goals. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Number 3, budget like a pro. Track your income and expenses and allocate money intentionally. It amazes me how many people don't do that. Number 4, build an emergency fund that is 3 to 6 months worth of your expenses to handle life's surprises. So when your car fails, you have the money. Number 5, eliminate all high interest debt and focus on paying off credit cards and loans. I got rid of that stuff years ago. Number 6, invest early and consistently. Compound interest is your best friend, so start right away. If you start at 22 and do it for 40 years, you'll be a millionaire. Number 7, learn about tax efficiency. Use retirement accounts like Roths, like 401ks, and other IRAs to save on taxes. Number 8, develop multiple income streams. We talked about this in other episodes. Side hustles, real estate, buying businesses, or investments can diversify your income. Number 9, very important, live below your means. Wealth isn't about what you earn, it's about what you can keep. Number 10, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Automate transfers to savings or investment accounts every single week. 11, acquire financial valuable skills. The more skills you have, the more likely your income is going to rise. Number 12, network intentionally. Build relationship with people who inspire and challenge you. I like to do that on the golf course. Number 13, invest in assets, not liabilities. It's all about spending money on things that appreciate, not depreciate. Number 14, understand the power of ownership, like owning a business or real estate, which can help you build massive wealth. Number 15, stay informed by financial trends. Read books, take courses, and follow financial experts, including this podcast. Number 16, avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase your spending every time your income goes up. That's ludicrous. Number 17, give back. Wealth includes generosity. Help others, and it often comes back to you with karma. Number 18, set a wealth-minded routine. Daily habits like budgeting, reading, or investing will keep you on track. And 19, review your progress regularly. Assess your goals and adjust your strategies. I do this every 90 days. Number 20, don't be afraid to fail. Every setback should be a learning opportunity, so keep pushing forward. Now, let me share some resources with you. Here are some tools and resources to help you on your journey to becoming wealthy. Books such as The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Apps such as Mint for budgeting, Acorn, or Vanguard for investing. Websites like Investopedia.com or NerdWallet.com, very helpful. Podcasts, the Rich Roll podcast, and of course this one, the Ask the Doc Life Lessons podcast. Courses, look into personal finance courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. So there you have it, 20 actionable steps to help you become wealthy. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about consistent effort, education, and smart decisions. Don't forget to check out that secret episode I mentioned on YouTube and Patreon for a deeper dive into the reality of what it's like to be rich. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe for more life lessons each and every week. And until next time, this is Dr. V signing off.